watch your head.
And instead, I will give you.
They hurt. Yeah, the claws do
Football.
hurt.
Be nice, Football.
Hi, my name is Alan, and this is my 6th attempt at making a YouTube video. On this trip, we are headed up to Central Florida for a total surprise weekend for Erin's birthday. It is a very special birthday for Erin this year as she's turning the big 3-9 for the umpteenth time. She has no idea of anything I have planned this weekend, and I have teased hundreds of things that it could be to keep her guessing. For our first surprise stop of the weekend, we will be traveling about 2 hours and 15 minutes up to Melbourne to the Brevard Zoo. It is just off Interstate 95 on North Wickham Road. We have been wanting to come up here because this is the first zoo in the country to offer a kayaking trip where you can see the animals. After viewing a few of the exhibits, it was time to head over to the kayak launch to board the kayaks. The Brevard Zoo is home to 170 different species of animals. It definitely isn't one of the largest zoos we've been to, but it does offer several hands-on experiences that make this zoo experience a lot of fun, including the kayaking behind the scenes, which is a total blast.
Aww.
The staff were so helpful, and we didn't even get a drop of water on us loading into or out of our kayaks.
He's not having it.
I mean, you'd be sad too if you didn't get laid. It was so cool to be able to be so close to the animals from this perspective. The guide was very informative, and we learned a lot about the zoo. The paddle lasts about a half an hour and goes at a very leisurely pace. Once we were done kayaking, it was time to explore the zoo some more. After exploring Expedition Africa, we headed over to the Wild Florida section where we got to feed the key deer, who kept getting attacked by the nasty turkey. Then we headed over to the Rainforest Revealed section, which has a lot of overhead walkways for the animals to walk over. Unfortunately for us, most of the animals were being lazy today, with the exception of the monkeys, which had just been let out, so they were all running to go play. After seeing the animals in the first 3 sections of the zoo, it was time for our second zoo experience, the train ride. This was a fun little behind-the-scenes train ride. The conductor also tells some history of the zoo, which was very informative. Getting to circle up close and around the camel was certainly the highlight of the train ride for us. After the train, we headed over to the next section, Lands of Change. The highlight here was definitely the bird aviary, with so many colorful birds. You can purchase nectar cups and seed sticks to feed lorikeets and cockatiels. The zoo also offers several other animal feeding experiences, including feeding the giraffes and feeding the kangaroos. They also have several encounters, including sloths, rhinos, and tortoises. There is also zip lining over the zoo. How would you rate? Finally, before leaving, we checked out the Paws On section with the petting zoo and the gift shop before heading over to our next stop, Ron Jon Surf Shop. Neither Erin nor I had ever been to Ron Jon's. We've been all around it. I've even driven past it at least 5 times, but have never once stopped. So I figured today would finally be that day we would check it out. It was definitely worth seeing once, but since neither of us are surfers, this will probably be our only lifetime visit here. Once we finished up at Ron Jon's, it was definitely time for an adult beverage, and I was able to find the tiny tavern only about a mile north up A1A. This was a really cute little joint with a ton of personality. It would be really cool to see a live band play here one day for sure.
Oh, it's a pretty place.
Happy birthday, dear Erin. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Happy 25!
After having dinner and celebrating Erin's birthday at our friend's place in Geneva, Florida, we had to go to one of our favorite bars in Florida, the Suffering Bastard in Sanford, to get some real deal tiki drinks.
And we ended the night off with an 80s dance party.
After a quick breakfast and saying goodbye to our friends, it was time to take Erin for her main birthday surprise. To get there, we had to cross through Orlando and Clermont and make our way to tiny Webster, Florida, the home of the Chase Sanctuary and Wildlife Conservancy. Erin had no idea what we were doing for her special birthday surprise all the way until the very end. It wasn't until we were checking in that she finally realized we were going to be painting with lemurs.
You can pet the turkey too. Yeah, you may absolutely pet the turkey. Out of the way so I don't get
You surprised! Oh my gosh, you're all running!
Oh, it's not their ringtails. I guess they were having difficulty releasing Templeton. Well, it is fine either way, darlings. Like I said, I'm biased. I love the rough lemurs. My favorite part about them, guess what? They love armpit scratches. So get your little hands up under their arms, give them a little armpit scratch. Now the lemurs might decide to drink some of this water, and that's fine too.
There's no water in there, Alan.
We're just looking for some flavored water, I guess.
She's bringing it around
water.
now.
I'm getting ahead of myself.
So as you can tell, I got a lot on my shirt. I didn't really care about rubbing it all out.
My biggest goal today is to have a lemur step on my painting and leave a footprint.
Yeah, you can pet the turkey. You can pet his wrinkly and bulbous little head, or you can pet his feathers.
And we have success. I had discovered this place from a random YouTube video from an Orlando news station that featured the yoga with lemurs and the painting with lemurs that the sanctuary offered. After showing the video to Erin, it became a bucket list item for us.
Touch no more.
Heading over to the gift shop. You guys have a tour. We're going to be meeting over there. Oh, yeah. Are you feeling tipsy? I do accept gratuity. I have the Venmos and the Cash Apps. If you don't have the credit card cards with you, that's fine. But it is not mandatory, okay? It's just appreciated by your local starting artists.
After we finished our paintings, we said goodbye to the deer and the turkey, and we checked out the gift shop. Then I had another surprise for Erin's birthday, the sloth and anteater experience.
I'll give you that one, and then I'll give you that one.
Thank you.
So we are going to be feeding the hibiscus, but we are going to be using tongs to do that. So we are going to still take turns feeding the sloth, because we only have one pair of tongs for some reason. If you are not, that is totally okay. We can just move away from her. She's got those really sharp claws that she uses to help tear open termite mounds and trees and logs to find those insects. Now these guys eat up to 9,000. But actually, if you would like, you can grab that cube of beef baby food. I can grab the hibiscus from you if you would like. And instead, I will give you... Be mindful. Perfect. I can try and see to get Opal in a bit more of a comfortable position for you as well, so that she's not just hanging off of you.
Well, I just stick it under his nose, you know, pretty much.
Yeah, they're not, again, they're not the smartest creatures. But these guys are very good. Yeah. And they're from, they also have a very mean right claw, so you can tell at this range.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Both lemurs and sloths are among some of Erin's favorite animals. Seeing the smile it brought to her face interacting with these animals today made me realize that the memories we made here today will be with us the rest of our lifetime. I can definitely say that is something that makes a great birthday surprise. The sloths were definitely some of the most adorable creatures I've ever seen up close. This was a really cool experience.
So because they've got those claws, we have to make sure that everything that we put up for them, thank you, is very long, like sticks. So we give them a carrot stick or China stick so they can
If you have enjoyed our video so far, please like and subscribe so you can be notified when we post our wild Florida adventures. And for our last stop before heading home, we decided to stop in downtown Clermont. First we hit the Bell, a quaint little English pub, for a pint. Then we checked out a couple of the food halls and the shops they have downtown before finally putting an end to the weekend.